Ms. Shweta S. Patil. Today's topic for the discussion is the introduction to embedded system. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the learners will be able to define embedded system with the help of an example, differentiate between general purpose computers, desktop computer and embedded system with a classification of embedded systems. Contents. First is the introduction to embedded system, second is the history of embedded system, third is the difference between general purpose computers, desktop computer and embedded system, fourth is the classification of embedded system. Definition of embedded system. An embedded system is a combination of three things. First hardware, second software, third is the mechanical components, and it is supposed to do one specific task only. Examples of embedded system. First is the washing machine. Washing machine from an embedded system point of view has hardware like buttons, display and buzzer, electronic circuitry, etc. Software, it has a chip on the circuit that holds the software which drives, controls and monitors the various operations possible. Mechanical components. The internals of a washing machine which actually wash the clothes, control the input and output of water, the chassis itself. Here mechanical components also in the washing machine. Air conditioner from an embedded system point of view has hardware like remote, display and buzzer, infrared sensors, electronic circuitry, etc. Software, it has a chip on the circuit that holds the software which drives, controls and monitors the various operations possible. The software monitors the external temperature through the sensors and then releases the coolant or suppresses it. Mechanical components. The internals of an air conditioner, the motor, the chassis, the outlet, etc. Conclusion from the two examples. An embedded system is designed to do a specific job only. Washing machines wash the clothes. Air conditioners control the temperature in the room in which it is placed. The hardware and mechanical components consist all physically visible things that are used for input and output. An embedded system always have a chip, either microprocessor or microcontroller, that has the code or software which drives the systems. Difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. Microprocessor, it is a general purpose CPU. Microcontroller, it is CPU with the peripherals. Examples of embedded system. Embedded system which control many of the common devices in use today are digital watches, traffic lights, printers, medical equipment, robots, DSP processing like MP3 player, digital camera, communication like routers, telephone switches, etc. Automotive like motor engines, climate control, etc. History of embedded system. The first recognized embedded system is the Apollo Guidance Computer AGC, developed by MIT Lab. AGC was designed on 4K words of ROM and 256 words of RAM. The clock frequency of first microchip used in AGC was 1.024 MHz. The computing unit of AGC consists of 11 instructions and 16-bit word logic. History. Here ARM version 1 architecture uses bus width like 32 or 26 bits co-designed by ARM Holding. For that is the ARM 1, ARM version 2, ARM version 3, ARM version 4 up to ARM version 8A is given in the history. Difference between general purpose computer and embedded system. The embedded system and the general purpose computer are at two extremes. The embedded system is designed to perform specific tasks, whereas per definition the general purpose computer is meant for general use. It can be used for playing games, watching movies, creating software, work on documents or spreadsheets, etc. Difference. General purpose computer is a combination of generic hardware and a general purpose OS for executing a variety of applications. Embedded system is combination of special purpose hardware and embedded OS for executing specific set of applications. General purpose computer contains general purpose operating system. Embedded system may or may not contain operating system. General purpose computer has the applications which are alterable by the user. Applications of embedded system are non-alterable by the users. Performance is key factor in the general purpose computer. Application specific requirements are key factors in embedded system. Power consumption is more in general purpose computer. Power consumption is less in embedded system. In general purpose computer, we are getting not critical response time. In embedded system, we are getting critical response time for some applications. Classification of embedded system. The classification of embedded system is based on the following criteria. First is the on generation, second is on complexity and performance, third is the on deterministic behavior, fourth is the on triggering. On generation. First generation. Embedded system built around 8-bit microprocessor and microcontroller. Embedded system is simple in hardware circuit and firmware developed. Example of first generation is the digital telephone keypad. Second generation. Embedded system built around 16-bit microprocessor and 8-bit microcontroller. Second generation embedded system are more complex and powerful than 1 giga microprocessor and microcontroller. Example of second generation is the SCADA systems. Third generation. Embedded system built around 32-bit microprocessor and 16-bit microcontroller. It uses concepts like digital signal processor. Third generation is the application specific integrated circuits which is evolved in this third generation only. Example of third generation are the robotics, media, etc. Fourth generation. Embedded system built around 64-bit microprocessor and 32-bit microcontroller. It uses concept of system on chips, that is SoC, and multi-core processor evolved in this fourth generation. Highly complex and very powerful is the fourth generation. Example of fourth generation is smartphones. Second classification is based on the complexity and performance. Small scale. Embedded system is simple in application need in small scale. Performance not time critical in small scale. embedded system built around low performance and low cost 8 or 16-bit microprocessor or microcontroller. Example of small scale is an electronic toy. Medium scale. Embedded system in medium scale is slightly complex in hardware and firmware requirement. Embedded system built around medium performance and low cost 16 or 32-bit microprocessor or microcontroller. Medium scale embedded system usually contain operating system. Examples of medium scale are industrial machines. Large scale. Embedded system is highly complex hardware and firmware in the large scale. Embedded system built around 32 or 64-bit RISC microprocessor or microcontroller or PLDs or multi-core processors. Response is time critical in large scale. Example of large scale embedded system are mission critical applications. On deterministic behavior. This classification is applicable for real-time systems. The task execution behavior for an embedded system may be deterministic or non-deterministic. Based on execution behavior, real-time embedded systems are divided into hard and soft. On triggering. Embedded systems which are reactive in nature can be based on triggering. Reactive systems can be event triggered, time triggered. These are the references. Thank you.